Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to gift a game you already own on Steam. If you've already purchased a game for yourself but want to buy a copy for a friend, I'll explain what you can and can't do and the easiest way to gift it. So let's get started. First, open Steam and make sure you're signed into your account. Now go to the store and search for the game you want to give as a gift. Open the game's store page and check the purchase options. Here's an important point. Owning a game does not normally allow you to transfer your existing copy to another person. Your personal game license is tied to your Steam account and generally can't be moved to a friend. Instead, if you want to gift the same game, you'll need to purchase another copy if Steam currently offers that game as a gift. Click Add to Cart and open your shopping cart. Depending on the game and Steam's current purchasing options, you may see an option to purchase the game as a gift. Select the gift option and choose the friend you want to send it to. You can also add a personalized message if the option is available. Before completing the purchase, carefully check the recipient, game, price, and regional restrictions. Some games may have restrictions on gifting between different countries or regions, and certain titles may no longer support direct gifting. If the gift option isn't available, don't worry. It doesn't necessarily mean there's something wrong with your account. Steam may have changed the gifting options for that particular game. In that situation, one alternative is to purchase a Steam digital gift card and send the balance to your friend, allowing them to purchase the game themselves, subject to Steam's current gift card rules. Also, remember that you cannot simply send your existing game license to another Steam account. The copy you already own remains attached to your account. So to recap, if you already own a game and want your friend to have it, you generally need to purchase a separate copy as a gift if the game supports gifting. If direct gifting isn't available, consider using an appropriate Steam gift card instead. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you understand how Steam game gifting works, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more Steam tutorials and gaming guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.